Hi, I'm Mary Leisenring, and I'm a training specialist for Census Academy. How many people are there in the world? What is the most populous country? How do you view population change and compare nations' populations in the future? You can use one of our most popular tools, the International Database, to answer these questions. Here you can find population pyramids showing a country's age, structure, and characteristics related to fertility, mortality, and migration for over 200 countries and thousands of local areas. So in this data gem, we will show you how to use the International Database to view, map, and download population estimates from the past to the present and projections into the future. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Meredith Maxwell, Data Dissemination Specialist with the Census Bureau. Start by going to census.gov to search for the International Database, or simply type census.gov/IDB using your favorite internet search engine. Initially, we see quick facts about the world's population, including several charts showing important demographic trends over time. Looking at these data and charts, we can see the world's population is 8.1 billion as of 2024, and that the population will continue to grow into the 2060s, albeit at a slowing pace. View the population pyramid to understand the shape and structure of the world's population by age and for males and females separately. You can also see how the population pyramid will change over time. As we advance forward to 2060, you can see the top of the pyramid is getting wider, and the bottom is staying relatively stable. This means the world's population is projected to age, as there are increasing numbers of older people compared to younger people. At the top of the dashboard, there are tabs you can click on to view tables, maps, population by age, and trends. Change your country and year data selections by selecting the buttons on the left margin. Once you select a button, it opens a window for you to select from. Clicking the World button under Select by Country and Area, let's select a country or region of interest. Say we are interested in checking out one of the world's most populous countries, Brazil, for this demonstration. We can type the word into the search bar to pull it up or scroll through the list. Select your country and then click OK. The data within the tab you are in will change based on your selection. When you select the year, the population pyramid changes to reflect the year of the data, along with the country or region previously selected. Selecting 2023, now you can see the average number of children born to each woman, and the life expectancy of people born in the selected year. If you select the subnational button on the left margin, you can see population characteristics for subnational areas for some countries. When you click on the Map tab, a map shows where Brazil is in the world. Now let's look at some of the useful features in the Tables tab. Note that only Brazil is shown since that is a country we selected on the Dashboard tab. To clear the country selection to view all countries, open Country and Area on the left margin, press Clear, and then OK. If you select the button under Report, you can view types of reports such as demographics, components of population growth, fertility, mortality, and migration. You can also view, add, or delete columns for your report by clicking on the Select Columns button under Custom Report Columns. You can press the Clear Selections button on the left margin, which resets all of your selections completely. Next, we will view the Demographic Overview report. Let's use the column sorting features to sort the table for a specific characteristic. Selecting fertility from the Reports box, the table defaults to show data in alphabetical order. But if we click inside a column title cell, such as Total Fertility Rate, we can see the countries and areas are now listed in order from lowest to highest birth rates. Clicking in the column head title again reverses the order. Selecting this filter icon below the column title, we can set a range parameter. For example, we can type in that we want to see a list of countries that have a fertility rate higher than 5.0. The international database is maintained by the Census Bureau's International Program Center, whose mission is to advance data-driven decision-making through tools, capacity strengthening, and data products for the global statistical community. Learn more about their work by visiting census.gov/international programs.
The IDB has a myriad of additional features, such as an interactive map, population by age, and an option to view trends about demographic characteristics like fertility, mortality, and migration. For more videos like this, visit census.gov/academy and subscribe to keep learning more about how to access Census Bureau data.